This video is part of a walk I did on the 5th of May 2026, starting at the Ecology Centre on Windmill Road, crossing over to the Common and heading towards Commonside East. The building you can see on the right hand side there on Windmill Road, it's on the corner of Commonside East, is the Talbot Close housing estate built on the site of the Wandle Industrial Park. Here I'm going to record bird songs on my phone using the Merlin app and then add the results into the video afterwards. I'm getting closer to Commonside East now, where it joins the Manor Road, a little mini roundabout. Although cloudy, it seems to be a bit of a humid day. There's an information panel at this entrance. To the left you can see some mounds. These are ant mounds. So underneath this particular part of the common, it's a huge network of ants. I understand that the green woodpecker likes to feast on the ants at the top of the mounds. I'm now going to have a look at the bomb crater site, because there is a plaque there put up by the Friends of Mitcham Common. This plaque commemorates the site of a crater that was formed by a 500 kilogram German high explosive bomb that exploded here at 1:25 in the morning, 20th of April 1941. It left a crater 52 feet wide with a depth of 8 feet. There were no casualties, but the detonation caused damage to 5 houses 200 yards away. This plaque has been funded by the Friends of Mitcham Common, in partnership with the Mitcham Common Conservators. So let's get back to the path. This is a new bench. Well, about a year old. Friends of Mitcham Common paid for this. I'm going to walk up the Mill Hill. The weather has changed a lot since last week. There's a cool breeze coming in. When the sun's out, it's nice. I remember coming over here on the common, this part of the common, when it had been topped with clay, I think from the Pollard's Hill estate. I've got a good idea of what year that was, because I just started at Eastfield Secondary School, having failed my 11 plus. Although I was put in the grammar stream. And with some new friends, we came over here and explored. After the clay had been laid, it was all quite bare. The other reason I remember it was that we were discussing Star Trek. It just started to be shown on the television. Probably the BBC. Perhaps I should look up the Radio Times archives and I could pinpoint it exactly that day I came here.